Pandas convert column from str to float. For the below data frame I am using the code. Output. I am trying to convert the str to float. Getting error. File break time equals ones, greater than line 730. In astype_nansafe return r.astype dtype, copy equals true, value error, could not convert string to float, 0.35%. Is there a way to maintain the column % as float along with sign %?
Use str column -1 for remove last value % by indexing with str. But if possible, better is
Another way, using strip.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.